Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes. Thanks for coming back, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate cupcakes. The things you're going to need are piping bags, piping tips, gel food color. You can also use sprinkles, cookies or chocolate or anything you have on hand. My favorite piping tips are the circle piping tip, the 6-point star piping tip, and the 10-point star piping tip. I'm going to try to link all the supplies I'm using down below, so scroll down and hit those links if you'd like to purchase any of these things. So here are the cupcakes, and before I decorate them, I'm going to show you what I'm using. I have some vanilla buttercream with a 6-point star tip. I have some Nutella buttercream with a circle tip. And I have some blue buttercream here with a 10-point star tip. And to get this color blue, I used a little bit of sky blue and a little bit of cornflower blue from Wilton. I also have a little bit of sprinkles here and some mini Oreos to decorate with. First off, we're going to use the Nutella buttercream with the round tip. And this is the most simple there is. And you're just going to squeeze and kind of spin it around, just like that. Next, we'll move on to the 6-point star tip, and the most basic is to just do one circle around and let go. So that's just your basic rosette, or you could continue it up and make it a little bit more icing, just like that, so it is a bit taller. So once the buttercream is in the bag like that, you're going to twist the top and hold it so that the buttercream doesn't come out the top. So you're going to go ahead and squeeze and turn. This next one is probably my favorite piping tip. It's the 10-point star tip. It just gives a nicer look to the cupcake than the other star tip. So again, just like the star tip, you're going to squeeze and turn around. So sometimes if your buttercream is not very soft, you can warm it up with your hands, or you may have to hold the cupcake with one hand and do the piping with the other. And sometimes you do get a little bit of, it just looks a little incomplete here where the icing stops. You can add a cookie or a chocolate bar or anything, just like that. All right, so here's the final product of the cupcakes. I think they turned out really good, and I used the 3 different piping tips. So if you do want more videos like this, just let me know down in the comments. I just want to thank everybody for subscribing because I reached 1,000 subscribers last week. So if you aren't already subscribed, definitely scroll down and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks so much for watching.